Let's make DIY necklace and matching earrings. Things required are rubber beads, wire cutter, needle nose plier, round nose plier, clip, open jump ring, metal wire, crimp bead, lobster clasp, pendants, tweezers, and earring hook. Take desired length of wire. Slide the rubber beads and pendants onto the wire in your preferred pattern. Secure with clips so it should not fall. Take 1 lobster clasp and 1 open jump rings and 2 crimp beads. Secure the crimp bead onto one end of the wire with lobster clasp. Now press very well. And cut the extra wire if needed. Secure the other end of the wire with crimp bead and jump ring too. Double check and press very well. Now we will make a matching earring. Take earring hook. First insert jump ring, then add the pendants. Secure with needle nose plier. We have made the pretty matching earrings. Perfect DIY. Hooray! We have done it. Follow for more. Like, share, save, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.